less than 5 months ago, I had 11,441 subscribers on YouTube. And now, less than 5 months later, I'm looking at 202,268. 69. As I'm recording this, the number is still going up. I've changed my entire strategy and rhythm, and this has been life-changing, honestly. At this point, it's become life-changing. So today I want to talk about it. What did I do differently that skyrocketed my channel and changed the trajectory of everything? There's one key component that I credit to all of these videos that I've begun to produce, that have begun to go viral, which in turn has completely changed the momentum of my channel, my passion project. Today, I'm going to tell you guys what my secret weapon is. So after 6 years on YouTube, what is it that's making my channel suddenly take off? Well, I looked at my highest performing videos. All of these videos with high viewership and high retention rate have one thing in common. There was one big change I made, and then I started to see video after video go viral. So what was it? Well, if you're anything like me, you've probably done your research over the years. How do I make YouTube a full-time job? How can I earn money from my content creation? How do people become full-time YouTubers? Over and over, I just kept seeing the same answer. Just be consistent. But how? Just the act of setting up to film took so much time. I would set up the tripod, try to find the angles, film myself. There's all this pre-work before you even get to begin to edit. If I wanted to forfeit the tripod and the pre-work, the act of holding the phone on my motorcycle while I'm riding is, well, out of the question. I finally realized if I want to make creating content a more sustainable, consistent thing, I'm going to need a camera that more seamlessly fits into my life. I finally found my solution. The Insta360 X4. This compact but powerful camera has totally changed the game for my motorcycle filming and riding needs. This camera gives me the capability to film in 8K resolution and use two wide-angle fisheye lenses, one on each side. And with these lenses, I'm able to capture a 360-degree image, which is perfect for my motorcycle riding needs. To make matters even cooler, Insta360 provides a ton of accessory options for you to choose from. My favorite accessory of all is the invisible selfie stick, and I'll tell you why. I really credit the Insta360 X4 to my video virality for a few reasons, but one main reason is the amount of comments I get where people are accusing me of having a staged interaction or fake content or a drone following me or just a cameraman planted at wherever it is I am. And I see this as a chance to enlighten. So let me show you. This shot is on the Insta360 X4. As is this shot, as is this shot, as is this. All this is on the Insta360 X4. To get those shots, I attach the invisible selfie stick to the heavy-duty clamp, and I find a place on my bike where I want to mount the clamp. My go-to place to attach this is right here, where it doesn't get in the way of my grip or my turn radius. Now this will extend quite a bit, actually. But the coolest feature is that the lenses on the X4 are perfectly seamed so that the selfie stick beneath it is not viewed in the video. And I get it. That's why a lot of people think I have a drone following me, but I don't. It's just my X4 doing all the recording. After I finish recording, I'll upload the footage to either the Insta360 Studio on my laptop, or I'll upload the footage to the app on my phone and do the edits from there. Because I filmed in 360, everything around me is recorded, so now I'm just going to find the key points where I want the camera to focus in on. After getting the framing and positioning where I want it, I select the key point and just lock the angle in. I could choose to do this the advanced way throughout the entire video, or I could take advantage of some of these editing shortcut tools like this tracker. And there you have it. It keeps me in the center of the frame as if I have a cameraman or a drone. I started putting the selfie stick and camera on my bike, and I got videos like this. Now, the key to going viral is engagement. And these videos got a lot of engagement because the amount of people who thought I was being fake, had a drone following me, a cameraman. It's all this beautiful technology. And yes, there are many other ways to mount the camera, including this flexible adhesive mount where you can put it on your helmet, your windshield, your rear fender, wherever you see fit. Perhaps you'd rather use this mini 2-in-1 tripod option, doubling as a tripod and also a handle / selfie stick. I kind of think it has 3 uses. The more the merrier. It's great for whatever your needs are. Maybe you prefer a more POV kind of experience for your viewers. If that's something you're interested in, this chest strap would be the perfect way to mount your camera to create some really cool personal point of view kind of videos. I just want to give a big thank you to Insta360 for sponsoring this video. Now, this is a video I was going to make whether or not I got the sponsorship. I truly believe that because of these elements, my channel was able to go pretty viral and just skyrocket from the numbers I've been seeing for the past, 6 years? It's been a crazy whirlwind of growth for this channel, all because of my new styles of videos I'm able to create because of the Insta360 X4. Now, I'm stoked to be able to offer you my promo code to use as well. If you want to get a product of your own from the Insta360 store, use my code and they're going to send you a little extra freebie along with your purchase. Side note, Insta360 X4 is compatible with motorcyclist Cardo communication systems. I just got this new helmet, so I don't have it on this helmet, but if you want to have a mic to your camera, this is just one more reason this is the perfect camera for my fellow bikers. If you are interested in the products mentioned in this video, check out the description for more details about the Insta360 campaign. And who knows, maybe your channel is the next to blow up.